Ready to turn that Uber Eats gift card into a delicious meal delivered right to your door? Let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Now, tap the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see Wallet and tap on it. This is where you'll manage your payment methods and add your gift card. Tap Add Payment Method. You'll see several options. Select Gift Card now. Carefully enter the gift card code exactly as it appears on your card. Be sure to double check for any typos. Once you've entered the code, tap Add. The gift card balance will now be added to your Uber Cash balance. Now that your gift card balance is added, head back to the main screen and choose the restaurant you're craving. Select the items you want and add them to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, tap View Cart. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section. You should see your Uber Cash balance, which includes your gift card amount. Make sure the toggle next to Uber Cash is switched on. This will automatically apply your gift card balance to your order. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the entire cost, you can add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. Review your order address and payment method, and then tap Place Order. Enjoy your delicious meal, courtesy of your Uber Eats gift card.